Hey, it's Doc Williams, and in this video, we're going to determine the percent compositions of elements in compounds. In this example, we're asked to find the percent composition of each element in magnesium nitrate. And looking at our formula, the mass percent equals the mass of the element divided by the total mass of the compound times 100. So the first thing we're going to do is calculate the total mass of the compound for magnesium nitrate. Here we have one magnesium atom at 24.305 grams, and 1 times this mass will give us 24.305 grams of magnesium in this compound. Now for nitrate, we have a 2 outside of the parentheses, so that means we have to distribute this 2 times each element within the parentheses. So 2 times the 1, which is the subscript for nitrogen, means that we have 2 nitrogens in magnesium nitrate instead of just 1. And looking at the periodic table, each nitrogen has a mass of 14.007 grams, which means the total mass of nitrogen in magnesium nitrate is 28.014. We will do the same for oxygen. Oxygen has a subscript of 3 behind it, multiplied by the 2 outside the parentheses, means that we have 6 oxygens times a mass of 15.999 grams, gives a total of 95.994 grams of oxygen in this molecule. And the total mass is 148.313 grams per mole. Now that we have the mass of each type of element in this compound plus the total mass of the compound, we're going to start with the percent mass of magnesium, which is going to equal the mass of the element in the compound divided by the total mass of the compound times 100. I am going to round these to 2 sig figs, which will give us 16% composition of magnesium. To find the percent composition of nitrogen in this compound, we're going to take the mass of nitrogen that we calculated, which is 28.014 grams, and divide that by the total grams of the compound, which is 148.313 grams times 100. And if we round this to 2 sig figs, we will have 19% of nitrogen in magnesium nitrate. The next element is our oxygen. And just like we did for nitrogen, we have to account for all of the elements, the total mass of oxygen in magnesium nitrate. So instead of just taking the mass of 1, we need to take the calculated mass for all 6, which is 95.994 grams divided by the total mass multiplied by 100. And this is 65% of oxygen. So to sum this up, the percent of magnesium in magnesium nitrate is 16%, nitrogen is 19%, and oxygen is 65%. And for a quick check, by adding these up, since these are percentages of the whole, then they all should add up to equal 100. As always, thank you for watching.